Welcome back. Government will appoint a special officer for communidades through an ordinance to keep a check on its affairs. This officer will have the powers to override decisions of the communidades. Government has also decided to appoint a special officer at Economic Cell at the Crime Branch to investigate into property-related frauds. CM Parrikar informed this to media after a cabinet briefing. Government has scrapped 416 posts at Pune District Hospital and retained 146 posts. Government has awarded temporary status to 1,399 contractual PWD workers.
तातूंत भितर 279 सर्वंट आया दाया वॉर्ड बॉय वॉर्ड गर्ल हे पोस्ट आशिल्ले ते 279 भितरले ते पोस्ट 10 पोस्ट भितर ड्रायव्हराच्या these are abolished 12 LDC so UDC passers ward sisters we have retained 45 ward sisters we have retained 40 servants we have retained the rest is total 146 retained 416 abolished out of this. Cabinet has approved to grant temporary status to 1,399 members of PWD Labour Supply Society workers who have completed 8 years of service as on 1/4/2013 as per the pay band and grade pay applicable to similar workers in PWD.
दुसरे benefit मिळतले आणि protection.
ना सध्या temporary status society will dila with salary. Temporary status is the first step of regularization. Power nashili so far. ज्या communidades अशो भानगडी येता पळय त्या communidades we can appoint a special officer who may be a chartered accountant, who may be a government retired officer with some integrity, who will go through all these things and he will have powers to override the decisions or stall the decision of the communidade. Managing committee? No. Managing committee will exist. We are not interfering with the normal committee. Normal functioning are not. पण कितें करता आसतना इन्वेस्टमेंट करता आसतना कोणाकूय अलॉटमेंट करता आसतना ह्या स्पेशल ऑफिसराक ती पावर आसतली. ते ऑर्डिनन्स इज बीइंग ड्राफ्टेड. That ordinance will be issued. We are considering to appoint special investigating officer for that purpose to fast track it. That is a very difficult economic offence of property. खूप गजाली टॅली करच्यो पडटा. त्यामुळे त्याच गजाली खातीर एक नॉर्मल ऑफिसराक ते करपाक येतलें अशें ना. त्यामुळे येणाऱ्या आठवड्यान त्या हाजेर मॅटराचेर इकॉनॉमिक सेल किंवा क्रायम ब्रँचा कडेन स्पेसिफीक ऑफिसर अपॉयंट करून ती केस आमी क्रॅक करून घेतले.
Here is something juicy and sweet to go in this winter season. A farmer in Sange has started a unique cultivation of strawberries in a region like Goa. He started the cultivation with just 2 crops and now he has an entire field rich with strawberries. Farmer Chandrakant Rama Gaonkar has plans to boost tourism in the state through strawberry cultivation.
Did you ever think that fruit like strawberry could be grown in the region like Goa? If yes, you are right. A farmer in the remote village of Velle Sange has grown strawberries in his farm. A NGO Mineral Foundation has supported the farmers. Strawberries are famous for its bright color, juicy texture and its sweetness. Strawberries are also consumed in large quantities all over the world.
Ammonia तेन्ना 2 रोपे हाडले तेन्ना आमकां हे 2 रोपे हाडून रोयतना आमकां एक झाडाक आमकां कांयच म्हळ्यार एक 20-25 एक फळां मेळ्ळी. किल भर तर कमीच कमी पडले. पण हे पद्दतीन आमी रोवन नासली. आतां ती सिस्टम केल्या ते पद्दतीन रोवन नासले. बेश्टी रोयल्ले आमी जमनीचेर. ते काय आमी सारें घातलां काय घातलां. तेज्या नंतर ह्या वर्सा आमकां स्पेशल सातारा महाबळेश्वर हांगा आमकां स्पेशल हे स्ट्रॉबेरी हेजे ट्रेनिंगा लागून आमकां वयले. तेन्ना आमी थंयच्यान बी थोडी झाडां हाडली.
Since years, it was known that strawberries are cultivated on hilly and cool regions. Goan farmer has not rubbished the myth but is confident that if love and fostering is given to a plant, any kind of fruit can be cultivated in any region.
4-5 दीस जाले लागपाक सुरवात जाले आनी ती लागल्यानंतर रोकडीच दुसरे दिसा पिकता.
ओके. कितले मेळटा एका रेटी अजून तुमकां तशी कितें मार्केट?
रेट सर्वसाधारण ते थंय आमकां सातारा बी सांगताले जवळ जवळ 150 रुपया केजी आहा म्हणून. पण आमी हांगा अजून ठरयल्ली ना रेट म्हणजे कशी करची आनी अजून आमकां पॅकेज पावलें ना.
Sangye MLA Subhash Faldesai has assured government support to the farmers for cultivating special and rich fruit in Goa.
जर हे फायनान्शियली वायबल म्हणजे ताका मार्केट जावं हे सगळे कॉन्सेप्ट धरून ताका एंड युजराक म्हणजे प्रोड्युसराक जर ताका किफायतशीर जाता जाल्यार निश्चितपणान आमी वाटाघाटी करतले. जमनीच्या विशीं म्हाका दिसता की आमी कोणा कडेन खंयच्या भाटकारा कडेन लीज करपाचें किंवा विकत घेवपाची, शेतकऱ्यांक जमीन ना असो प्रश्न येवचो ना इतकी काळजी आमी सरकारा वयच्यान घेतले.
The enthusiastic farmer informed that if the yield of strawberries is good, then he would supply strawberries in the Goan markets. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
The suspicion of Zuarinagar residents on a leakage of ammonia has come true. The water samples collected by health department authorities have tested positive. There are traces of ammonia in the water pipeline at Zuarinagar. It is confirmed that the tank supplying water was contaminated by ammonia. Residents informed that the tankers carrying ammonia are washed at the tank supplying drinking water to the Zuarinagar residents.
Have a look at the water tank and the ammonia tankers of Zuari. Here the tankers flush out ammonia and wash the tankers. Here is the PWD water pipeline supplying water to around 30 families in Zuarinagar.
हे PWD पायपाचे ओढून घेतले आणि ते तरेन ते सगळे पायपां मिक्स जाले. सो आतां आमकां फॉल्ट मेळ्ळो आसा. आमगे हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटान पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान सगळ्यांनी सॅम्पल व्हेली, चॅक केले, व्हेरीफाय केले आनी PWDन इमिजिएटली हेजे एक्शन घेवन जे पायपलायन मुखार वयता ती डिस्कनेक्ट केली. जे उदक मुखार वचोंक शकतालें तें डिस्कनेक्ट करून 3 दीस पर्यंत ही पायपलायन फ्लॅश केली.
People have asked their local sarpanch to shift the ammonia tankers away from the water tanks.
प्रॉब्लम जालो कित्याक वो जो कितें ट्रांसपोर्ट कंपनी आसा हिंगा एक पार्किंग दवरला हिंगा अमोनियाचे. हे अमोनिया लागून हे पार्किंगा लागून ते कितें धुयता आनी ते टँका भितर कितें ते स्टॉक करता.
लेपरान आमकां की तांचे सारी उदकान तो अमोनियाचो सस्पेक्टेड अमोनियाचो वास मारता म्हणून हे आमी सॅम्पल काडिल्ले. सॅम्पल आमी आमचे डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्वीस जी आमची लॅब आसा थंय हे सॅम्पल काडून दिल्ले. ताजो रिपोर्ट वो इट इज फाउंड दॅट वॉटर कंटेन अमोनिया.
Assistant PWD engineer Vishwambar Bhende informed that the water pipeline was cut and isolated for few days.
हे सकाळी साधारणशे 10 सुमार आमकां मेसेज मेळ्ळी पण आमी आमच्या स्टाफाक धाडले आनी जेन्ना कळ्ळें की उदकाक वास येता तेन्ना आमी इमिजिएटली ती लायन आयसोलेट केली म्हणजे ती लायन कट केली आनी सेपरेट केली. थंय अरावंड 30 सुमार घरां आसा. कितली घरांक एक्झॅक्टली प्रॉब्लेम जालो कळूना पूण साधारणशे त्या सेक्शनाक सगळ्यांकच मातसो बारीकसो वास येतालो.
It may be recalled that Zuarinagar residents were panicked after drinking water supplied through water pipeline had stink of ammonia on Wednesday. Water was giving a bad odor. There were also complaints of eye irritation. Locals complained that the water is contaminated. Authorities says now the water is safe for drinking and other purposes. Reporter Dishan Parab and Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.